Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating customer complaints in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Customer Services and Complaints form under the Sales Management module. Select the request type as complaint, query or suggestion. Select the request category. The list will be auto-fetched based on the selected request type. Under Customer Details tab, you can view details such as member code, booking date, member name, mobile number, project name, unit code and unit type. Select the priority as high, medium or low. Enter other relevant details if applicable. Save the data so it will be stored in the draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. You can update the status of the complaint to issue closed or work in progress as applicable. The process of creating customer complaints is now complete.